Today we'll be talking about organizational visuals, what they are, how to manage them, and how to add Nebula as one of them. So in Power BI, organizational visuals are custom visuals that your company's Fabric admin uploads and approves for internal use. They don't come from app source as you're used to, but they come from your organization's internal library, which is basically a private app source for your company. Why this exists is because companies want their developers to use custom visuals that follow internal security rules. So, for example, maybe your organization wants you to use only visuals that are certified, or maybe visuals that are tailored to your business. And at the same time, it can ensure that everybody is using the same approved visuals. So developers are not adding whatever custom visuals they find and testing it out if it maybe doesn't go along with the policy of the company. And at the same time, it can bring you that custom visual already in your visualization pane, so you don't even have to go search for it in the app source or organizational visuals libraries. But when you open Power BI, it's already going to be there. So it makes the developer's life a tiny bit easier. So we're here looking at the tenant that we have. It's a test tenant, and I'm a Fabric admin in this tenant. Now, for this to be able to follow along, you will have to be a Fabric admin. If you're not, you have to contact the right person. But let's now just assume that you are. So what we would do, we would go here to the right side and click on Settings. We go down to Admin Portal. And now the admin portal opens. Here on the left, I have like a group of settings. So I'm just going to search for organizational visuals. And now here I can say add visual. Since we're going to be adding Nebula, and Nebula is a certified visual that is on AppSource, I'm going to say take it from AppSource, but generally you can also add visuals from a file so that they are not on AppSource and you only have a PBIVs file for it. I'll say from AppSource. It loads. I'm just going to search for Nebula. So this is like an interface that you probably are used to from AppSource if you have been downloading visuals from there. So I'll just click on Nebula. It takes a few seconds to load. Now I will say add. And now Nebula by PS Samurai has been added to your organizational visuals. Now I'll just I would point out here, if you do want to add Nebula to the visualization pane so that your developers can see it as soon as they log into their Power BI account in the Power BI desktop, then you also need to enable that. So I would select my visual and I would go here, enable for visualization pane. Perfect. So now we've added it. So now let's look into how it actually looks like in Power BI desktop. So here's I'm logged in with my testing account, and right now I cannot see it. So I need to log out and log back in to be able to do that. So I'll just say sign in with a different account. Perfect. So now I signed back in and immediately I got Nebula down here in my visualization pane among my visuals. So now I can edit and, work with it. If you or your Fabric admin did not enable this to be in the visualization pane, the visual to be in the visualization pane automatically or by default, you can also go search get more visuals to be able to download it. You press get more visuals. And here, instead of just all visuals or app source visuals, you would click on organizational visual. So that's why I meant it's like, it is the app source, but it's for your organization. So right now we only set Nebula. Nebula is the only one you can download, but this is how you would do it. Hope this was useful.